It's mid-March, and I try to wait as long as I can to clean up the flower bed. I wait until the daffodils start blooming fairly nicely. As you can see, there's a lot of debris from last year, but in this debris there's often butterfly eggs or insect eggs, and if you take it out too early, then you're going to destroy all that population that emerges and looks for a certain plant to chew on in the spring. I hope I'm not too early. Basically, this is what my flower bed looked like before I tidied it up. I don't remove everything from the bed. I do keep any plants that have little seeds on them. But here's the area that I've cleaned up. I do leave leaves. Here's my pile. This all came out of this little area. So I'm leaving the leaves. There are a few natives, which I'm leaving the foliage for, just in case there are any little native eggs in there. A lot of bulbs coming up right now. Iris, daffodils. Just a little catnip that I'm going to leave the dead twigs for now. Also have, as I stated, some seed pods that I'm leaving. This looks a lot better than it did compared to the other bed anyway. And daffodils are starting to bloom. Favorite time of year. A lot of different varieties of daffodils. Daffodils bloom all different times of year, early, late, and mid. This is a double variety. The buds are really big on this particular daffodil. Other plants starting to green up. Primroses are coming up. Hellebore is blooming actually from this winter. It's really pretty. This flower bed I put in last year. Iris, daylilies are coming up. Little Siberian iris clumps. I'll eventually cut that grassy stuff off. The birds would love to use that to make nests. Flower bed is looking good. It's been cleaned out mostly. There's a little bit more I'll clean out, but in general, looks a lot better. Rose trellis, I'm going to have to cut back a little bit.